How to fix Wi-Fi not working on Android, connected Wi-Fi connection but not access to internet. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So for this, just go to the Wi-Fi section over here and then tap on the Wi-Fi and just scroll down and tap on forget network. Now after forgetting network, make sure to re-enter your password so that you enter this or you just log into your Wi-Fi network. Now, if this does not work out, then go back and tap on the airplane mode. Now just wait for a few seconds and toggle this off, and this might work as well. Now if this does not work, you can just go to the settings of your device again and then tap on SIM cards and mobile networks. So just tap on mobile data and toggle on this option. Next, what you can do is just go to the advanced settings and make sure that you have your mobile data turned on. After that, you can just tap on your power button and then tap on reboot and restart your device, and this might fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.